In today's video, I'm going to show you NetMirror App review in 2025. Is it safe or not? NetMirror purports to be a streaming app that allows users to watch movies, TV shows, and web series from paid platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, etc. without paying. It is not available through Google Play Store or Apple App Store and is usually distributed via APK Android or through unofficial web downloads. Security analysts and reputation checkers have flagged various domains of NetMirror as risky. For example, Griddensoft reports that NetMirror app is classified as phishing, scoring low on trust metrics, and warning users about potential misuse of login credentials or personal data. Scam Advisor checks for similar sites, netmirrorapp.com, netmirror-app.com, show that while there is an SSL certificate, which many sites, legal or not, use, many of these domains are very new, hide choice ownership information, and are tied to suspicious content, illegal streaming downloading. People who have used or discussed NetMirror in forums, and this Reddit, etc., report concerns over malware risk, phishing attempts, and data permissions that seem excessive. There are also complaints about being asked for Google account info or permissions that seem not needed, which raises the possibility of credential theft or privacy compromise. Legally, the app seems problematic. Streaming or sharing copyrighted content without licensing is illegal in many jurisdictions, and apps like NetMirror that stream content from paid services without permission expose users to copyright violation risks. Verdict: I don't believe NetMirror is safe. It looks like it is very likely illegal depending on where you are, carries significant privacy and security risks, malware, phishing, data theft, and has low transparency about who created it, how it is operated, or whether it has any legitimate licensing or official oversight. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.